All right, so we are on lesson 5. This one is over editing and proofreader remarks. So it says with any document, it's a good idea to go over it and make sure there's no errors. Don't always trust spell check. Okay, it may not always find the right errors. You know, y'all have a lot more advanced different spell check options like Grammarly and things like that. But still, you want to make sure that you go over it as well. They don't keep your paper free from errors. So the only way to really check is to look over your document, have someone else go over it and proofread it. When proofreading it, it's nice to not only mark items that someone might have entered or formatted incorrectly, but to tell them what they do to fix it. So these are some keys to know if somebody ever proofreads your document, and so you know what to do. So to single space, so if it should be single space, they're just going to put SS for single space. When it's corrected, so that's double, changing it to single. If they want it to double space, same thing. They'll just put DS, so that's single, changing it to double. If you want to delete something, the delete symbols are used for author to tell someone to delete something. So it's going to have this pattern typically to delete a space. To delete a letter, you're just going to cross it out. Delete a word, cross that out. If you marked or something to be deleted and it shouldn't be deleted, you see the following with the dots under it. That means don't delete it. To insert, they're going to be like a little arrow, and then you put the word. Insert a letter, same thing. Put that little arrow and put the letter you want to put in there. Insert a period, you're going to put the period and circle it. Comma, put the arrow. Apostrophe, same thing. You're putting an arrow. A lot of these are pretty self-explanatory. Insert a space. Okay, you're going to put the pound sign. Changing case, you're just going to put a slash through it. It means make it lowercase. To make it uppercase, you're going to put 3, you're going to underline it 3 times. Two of the most common errors are transposing letters and needing to make a new paragraph. So that's when the author has switched the placement of letters in a word. When it happens, you see the following. So that means switch them up. Create a new paragraph. You use that symbol. Okay, to express, to bold, you're going to see this form, the little squigglies, italicize. To underline, you'll see this because they underline it and they circle it. Remove bold facing, you'll just put no bold facing, no italics, and you undo the underline. So alignment, they're going to circle, they're going to tell you to move to the right. Circle will be on the right, centering. All right. So really you won't use much of this. This is kind of old school. You'll be using this you'll be using Google and Word, and they're going to do it for you. And most people don't do things on paper anymore, but it's good to know, and you are going to see these on your quiz. So make sure you do go over them, you know them. I believe they are in the flashcards as well. And then next, your formatting assignment.